Hi guys, I'm Brian McCauley and welcome to the McCauley's Design Workshop. Today I'm going to be replicating this drawer slide. I need to make 8 of them. It came out of a dresser that my wife is rehabbing, and during the process she realized that these slides were all damaged. This is actually the best one. So I'm going to make 8 new ones. There are 2 ways that I could go about doing this. I could make this out of one piece of wood and just cut the shape out of it, or I could make it out of 2 pieces. I've been looking at this and I can't actually tell if this was originally 1 or 2 pieces of wood. It seems like maybe it was 2. Looking at the grain and everything, it looks like it was 2 pieces of wood. So that's the route I'm going to go. It'll be easier to do it out of 2 pieces of wood. This glue joint here will be nice and strong. Shouldn't have any problems. So if you want to see how I do it, stick around.
So I'm going to start off here with getting a 90-degree edge on my stock. And I'm just using some scrap red oak that I had laying around the shop. These drawer slides are essentially just 2 small strips of wood glued together, so I'm going to batch out each part. I need to make 8 of each of them, so I'll take my stock over to my table saw and start batching out the first piece. And then I'll cut these first pieces to length at my miter saw using a stop block so that they all come out the exact same length. And then it's back to the table saw to start batching out the other piece that I need. And finally, I will measure in where the 2 pieces need to be glued together, and I'll glue them together with some spring clamps. One thing I had to make sure that I did was make mirrored pairs. Since these are going into a dresser, you have to have a mirrored pair on each side so that the slides will work correctly. Here's a before picture of the dresser, and this is what it looked like when my wife was finished with it.
Alright guys, so that's it. Super quick, super easy. Making some drawer slides. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Alright guys, thanks for watching.
Be sure to follow me on my website, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.